Hi. It's dusty out there. Thank God for Laser Town.
Alright, okay. I'll do all the pricing and the sides. Oh, we're getting ready for some carne asada breakfast burritos. Got the hash browns going off, a little pico, some carne, some cheese, and what everybody else's request may be.
At the 2022 King of the Hammers. We're in line for tech. We got to get this truck teched, get the Racing Tracks tracking unit on the truck, and then we will be ready to race. So. Like I said, this race is going to be pretty much trying to stay out of the dust, so line choice is going to be key for making passes or just getting a little bit of clean air to charge up to that guy in front of us. They're going to qualify us and then stack us, re-rack us with mixed in with the trophy trucks. So there's a potential we can start next to a trophy truck, which is going to be hard with all that power disadvantage off the line. But we will we'll do what we can and charge to the front.
Probably like 32 degrees in the morning.
I don't want to do this first thing in the morning, so
Do it tonight. Coffee's ready to go. Nothing worse than being cold. Driving an open cab car. No windshields in case you didn't notice, so it will be chilly. Get up, have a cup of coffee, get dressed quickly. We gotta get over staging by like 7 a.m. And first car qualifies at 8. We get a 30-mile lap at 8. Everyone runs that. Then they check our times and re-rack, as they say. So you start based on the qualifying, no matter what class. So we start next to a trophy truck tomorrow. And then we go 3 laps, 84 miles each. Got a strategy. We'll probably pit somewhere in the middle and see how that works out for us. Hopefully things kind of even out. The dust is really, really bad. It's been just kind of hanging, watching the race this morning. It was really, really, really dusty. No wind. Breeze kicked up tonight, so that was good. Hopefully that kind of holds tomorrow. I just want to get all this laid out and crawl in bed and get a good night's rest. Comes quick and early, and I want to be well rested so that you got to make decisions on the fly and quick. So I like to be in bed early. We just got this drinker system. It's called Fluid Logic. It's pretty rad. It's like a hydro flask, so it stays really, really cold if you want it ice cold. And it all pumps through our helmet. So it's nice. It eliminates having to have a Camelback that just gets warm. There's only a couple bottles. holes. So started in the back for qualifying. It's a bummer. So I'm interested to see how our time was. Kind of know how the pace is going to be, if that's good, right in the middle, right where I want to be, or what. So we'll find out. I did have some dust. I had to pass a couple guys. They didn't hang me up too bad, but it definitely cost me a couple seconds for sure. But all in all, it felt like a decent run. It was clean. I mean, we're here. There's a couple guys out there on the lid, so we get to make the main race.
The dust does hang. If you're following somebody immediately, the dust will hang for a little bit. But we do have a breeze today, unlike yesterday, so we're definitely thankful for that. But looking forward to it. It is a rough course. It's a lot rougher than pre-running, so I think this is definitely going to be a race of attrition.
Never beat, I've been down and I reappear. You got some money on the line, you better put it here.
So hopefully Jason will be coming through here pretty soon. We're clocking the first 6100 and the second 6100 so that we could tell Jason how far ahead and behind he is on those two trucks, and then we'll clock the guy that's behind him so he knows where he stands and he can continue to push it. 7:01 behind the leader. 7 minutes behind the leader of 6100. He was 7 minutes behind the leader, so he's doing really good. He's got a good pace going, and the truck looked really good coming through. So hopefully he keeps it up, and we'll find out more once he goes through remote pit.
Last lap he did it in 1 hour 31 minutes, and right now he's going to be 1 hour and about 31 minutes, almost exactly the same time. You got a spec truck 2 minutes in front of you, and right now your back door is clear.
Do you have any sort of corrected time?
10 minutes behind the leader. That's the only thing we got.
All we have is 10 minutes behind the leader.
Copy, thank you.
Copy.
I'm glad that is over. How about that?
What's the outcome?
I don't know. Well, I'll tell you what, we used up all those Eibach springs today. Oh man, it's so square. Just boom, 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 boom. Like, wow. That was a rage at the river, 250 miles.
Yeah.
Like all day, just that was so gnarly.
That's how it looked.
That's how I felt. I was like, thank God, there's only 3 laps.
Yeah. It was good enough for me to stay. I was going to leave after the second one. I was like, I got to stay and see who finishes.
Never beat, I've been down and I reappear. You got some money on the
What an afternoon you guys had out there. What was it like for you?
Yeah, that was just a crazy pace. These guys running as hard as they could, and just stoked to get this Eibach truck up here, and just, you know, it was for us a clean day, just missed the pace a little bit, I guess. You know, we did what we could. The dust was gnarly, the rocks. I mean, that was a hammer down pace all day. So, you know, we're stoked. We'll take it. We'll learn and go from there.
Even though this thing was a couple hundred miles, it almost felt like a sprint race as compared to going into a 500-mile race or a 1,000-mile or even a 400.
Oh, from the qualifying, I mean, we qualified in the back. We were last, so we had a short gap to start the race. So it was just, the whole pace was qualifying all day long. Finished, you know, had 5 minutes to get ready, and then we were just right back in the race. So, you know, we were qualifying pinned all day. It was crazy, but a great group of guys that are up front, and, you know, look forward to the next one.
Talk about some of the people behind the scenes that got you here.
Yeah, just Eibach, FK Rod Ends, and Maximo Oils. Brady here, preps a great truck. Super stoked to have him riding with me, called shots all day. The guys in the pits, my family, everything. Just, it was a great day. Stoked we didn't have to turn on the KC lights. It was getting close, so here we are.
Nice job, guys. Congratulations, 5th in class. Not a bad Sunday afternoon.
Yeah, love it. Thank you.
Jason Coleman, everybody, 5th in T2.
I'm on the way.